Kurumjay, a very good afternoon. You are watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV and I'm Victoria Rajkumari. First, the headlines. Manipur Legislative Assembly passes 7 demands for grants totaling 1,258 crore 68 lakh 94,000 rupees on the last day of 7th session of 12th Assembly. Campaign for just and fair delimitation attempts to storm Imphal East Census office as a part of ongoing movement to defer census until illegal immigrants identified. And 7 foreign nationals, including 6 Ukrainian citizens and 1 from the United States, remanded to 11-day NIA custody in connection with terror-related activities and illegal entry into India. And now the top stories. Manipur Legislative Assembly today passed 7 demands for grants totaling 1,258 crore 86 lakh 94,000 rupees on the last day of the 7th session of the 12th Assembly. Chief Minister Yumnam Kimchun, who also holds the finance portfolio, tabled the demands on the floor of the House. These covered 7 departments, including demand number 12, Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development, demand number 22, Public Health Engineering, demand number 24, Vigilance and Anti-Corruption, demand number 28, State Excise, demand number 29, Sales, Tax and Other Duties, demand number 31, Fire Protection and Control, and demand number 33, Home Guards. The proposed allocations include 711 crore 16 lakh 32,000 rupees for public health engineering, 439 crore 80 lakh 32,000 rupees for municipal administration, housing and urban development, 54 crore 6 lakh 70,000 rupees for home guards, 26 crore 35 lakh 50,000 rupees for fire protection and control, 13 crore 70 lakh 49,000 rupees for state excise, 7 crore 2 lakh 10,000 rupees for vigilant and anti-corruption, and 6 crore 75 lakh 60,000 rupees for sale tax and other duties. Opposition MLAs K. Megachandra and T.H. Lokeshwar moved policy cut motions primarily on demand numbers 12, 22 and 32, highlighting concerns over fund utilization, accountability and effective implementation. The MLAs raised issues regarding proper and targeted use of funds for public welfare, infrastructure development and strengthening governance mechanisms. The Treasury benches defended the allocations, asserting that the grants are essential for public service delivery, infrastructure improvement and enhancing administrative efficiency in the state, ultimately benefiting the people and promoting overall development. Campaign for just and fair delimitation volunteers, accompanied by a large number of supporters, attempted to storm the Imphal East Census office today as a part of their ongoing movement to defer the census operation until illegal immigrants are identified. Security forces intervened, stopping the protesters at Porampad crossing and allowing only 10 representatives to enter the office for talks with officials. The volunteers of the campaign for just and fair delimitation decried that their proposal to defer the census operation remains unheard despite repeated pleas to the Manipur governor, chief minister and MLAs. Details of the discussion remain undisclosed as the representatives have not emerged from the meeting till the time of filing this report.
hauji hauji oiriba Manipur government gi situation je moi loi khangi lengak tudra loire yana oina da tauriba piriba phamduna maram moikanda yana oina da thamakada lengak tudna bonaba lengak tuba tudaba aikoi madom da sangjande but aikoi mirol kalausi haiba agenda sta leiche mi top khandong si haiba sida Manipur government na India government na aduk sauning besi maram karigeno aduk nasungdiri maram karigeno Union Home Minister Amit Shah na detect detain deport na hariba SRI gi pota only for Bangladeshi kaltara Myanmar gi poti yaudabra aikoi da sangjale Manipur pota aduna chombo wahang jing ja koi yam hangningi aduna maram orkanda hauzik leiriba phibam mache aikoi mayam tumina lebe yade Manipur da leiriba miyam punamak che aikoi JFD na matam matam gi matungina lauktorok pada aikoi ungjang changchen minasi hauzik leiriba phibam che am sathi garaba adugma pola mani aduna hauzik assembly che aikoi ngairi still ngasi buk thaba matam ni adui matungina tongan tongan ba aikoi kongjang changchen na gudul sem sari.
7 foreign nationals, including 6 Ukrainian citizens and 1 from the United States, have been remanded to 11-day custody of the National Investigation Agency (NIA) by a city court in connection with alleged terror-related activities and illegal entry into India. The accused were produced before the NIA court, where Additional Sessions Judge Prashant Sharma granted custody till March 27, despite the agency seeking 15 days for investigation. According to officials, 3 of the Ukrainians were arrested from Delhi, 3 from Lucknow, and the US national from Kolkata. The NIA alleged that the individuals had entered Mizoram on valid visas, later crossed into Myanmar and established links with ethnic insurgent groups involved in violence in India's northeast. The agency further claimed that the accused were involved in training insurgents, facilitating supply of weapons and drones sourced from Europe, and strengthening militant networks. Representing the NIA, Special Public Prosecutor Atul Tyagi, along with Amit Rohila, argue for custodial interrogation, while senior advocates Pramod Kumar Dubey and Atul Shegal opposed the plea. The investigation is ongoing, with the agency focusing on gathering technical evidence, tracing logistic routes, and identifying other individuals linked to the alleged network. Former Lok Sabha MP of Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, Dr. Lorho S. Fose, has emphasized the need for concerted efforts to augment 3-bin at its Yongchak production in Manipur. He was speaking at the inauguration of the 2-day Yongchak 3-bin festival come brainstorming at the Auditorium Hall of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, CSIR, NIST, Branch Laboratory, Lumpalpat. The event is being jointly organized by the Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, MIDH, Manipur Organic Mission Agency, MOMA, Department of Environment and Climate Change, Dhannamanju University, CSIR, NEIST, NEST, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, and Apunba Imagi Macha Singh AIMS, Manipur. Speaking further, Dr. Fose highlighted that the state relies heavily on imports from other states to meet the demand of 3 bins. He stressed the need for effective strategies to address this issue and boost local production. The former MP also emphasized the importance of conducting thorough research on the trend of 3-bin plants drying up and finding ways to make them adapt to changing environmental conditions. He urged the people of Manipur to enhance cultivation of 3-bin, stating that it will not only meet local demand but also contribute to environmental conservation. The event was also attended by several other dignitaries, including Dr. H. Bir Kumar, Chief Scientist, CSIR NEIST Branch Laboratory, Lumpalpat, Dr. T. Brajakumar, Director, Department of Environment and Climate Change, Professor Irengba Megachandra, College of Agriculture, Central Agriculture University, and Dr. S. Basanta, Head of Regional Center, ICAR-RC for NEH Region, Manipur Center, ARS.
Lawmisingna Yongchak Pambisi Alraga, Suksi si Dabdanga Thai Hagumna Jahi 85 years kumba cham Hinbangam mi Haragati Yamna Pay, Adobo, Ikui Daba Mamang the Gitahi tara tramangagi manungsidagi akoina u phangi koi yongchak pambi si yamna mahe palame ya phajana hawrome hoitipa ikhang khangawdane ekta pambi se ekta sitharappa climate change ngasai temperature to the temperature 1 degree helakpa matamda disease form karilai koi lebak ta kari tholai madu ki change tuna hawriba flora and fauna da kamuk shoke habsi akoi yamna khanglam da bado masumba scientists sing masumba experts sing na koi mayam da shu takpi phang hayeng kari lakata ki se khangdana koi climate ki matang se da koi na khangman dana tawai damakta akoi nature se akoi na exploitation si tawman ki bai damakta masung su tholakpani habisi akoi miyam su khangbiraga akoi ki nature si bunungsi si koi pa u thariba ching da leriba duren ching si koi na loina section na yamna nungsi na tawrakanda miga akoi nature si ga yamna kanna mari leina samnaraga hingbane habisi akoi khangba yamna maru oibani.
And now before we move on to other news, let's take a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV News.
Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship ki makada skill development training on solar installation hausagadori 9 days training amasung rupees 5,000 stipend expert resource person kayana takadaba training program ni akupa marol kidamak KV philanthropy khabam lamkhai Manipuri amasung Imphal West kina LMS Arcade ningthemsa karong hairangoi thong Imphal West akhoi contact number 8732017957 natraga 8798240167 da contact tobiro.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV. Now proceeding with other news. Lamlai constituency MLA KH Ibomcha emphasized that peace is a prerequisite for development and urged public cooperation with the government's efforts to restore peace in Manipur. He was speaking as a chief guest at the inaugural function of the Lainingthau Parayang Community Hall at Phaknung Awang Lekai in Imphal East District. The event was also attended by Lainingthau Parayang Managing Committee President S. Nilamani, Saungbung Jila Parishad member Y. Ibohal and Kangla Gram Panchayat chairperson S. Kumar. Speaking further, Ibomcha highlighted that the state's unrest has significantly hampered development work and appealed to the people to pray for and work towards restoring peace. He also urged the community to prevent any untoward incidents in the future.
Ingna, Sikna, Mausabuna, Manipur Lake, Sini, Tami, Tonganba, Purukang, Mayamsi, Muxinana, Leninabadumba, Manipurama, Whenever the Muka, Shorting Basida, Polia, Nisi, Arizima, Zagay, Tokatara, Toning Matanga, Santi Silatragati, Tobiate, other Santi Lane of the Matukai, other Matulana, Wanakanda, Polisi, Nevaki, Adagizati. Wafam Zilla Pukanda, where Peggy, Haramagi, Kenaba, Nitiki, Kenaba, Ganai, Numainadaba, Lady of Punamoto, Madu, Hadamakanda, where Amakato in the Lady of Lomaka.
Central Working Committee CWC of Tangkhul Naga Foothills Organization TNFO has strongly condemned Manipur government's decision to hand over the case of 2 persons killed in a crossfire at Sikifung Hill Range on March 11 to NIA, terming it baseless and unjustified. The committee questioned whether similar incidents of violence, including killings and assaults of civilians in Churachandpur and Bishnupur in 2023 and the alleged assault of Kukizo women in Thoubal in July 2023, will also be handed over to NIA for investigation. DNFO further demanded immediate withdrawal of an FIR filed against Ashank Kasar at Kangpokpi police station on March 15, stating that calling for due process and verification is legitimate democratic right, urging the state to maintain equal standards of justice in all cases of violence. The organization also appealed to civil society organizations, student unions and community leaders to remain vigilant against any misuse of legal processes, warning that failure to address the issue could further aggravate the already tense situation in the state. Security forces on March 15 recovered significant catch of explosives and arms from the general area of Voljang Hill Range under Machi police station in Technopole district. The items seized included 8 improvised explosive devices (IEDs), 1 pistol with a magazine, an improvised mortar, 2 Motorola radio sets along with batteries, and 9 live rounds of different calibers. According to sources, the recovered IEDs were safely destroyed on the spot by following standard safety protocols and procedures, averting any potential threat in the area. Security forces apprehended 5 cadres belonging to various valley-based insurgent groups from a stretch between Border Pillars 73 and 75 under More police station in Technopole district on March 16. The arrested proscribed Prepa cadres have been identified as Thangjum Ashok Kumar alias Khongthang of Waikong village and Laisham Nipamacha alias Loya of Sagolmang Awanglekai, KYKL Kader Thangjam Manimatum Mite alias Sana of Suknu Awanglekai, KCB MFL Kaders Laishram Inao alias Sana Macha of Uruf Makhalekai and Jungangbam Shakti alias Firen of Lamlai Nongada. In a separate development, Manipur police arrested the main accused in connection with the truck arson case that occurred at Kabinam village in Senapati district along National Highway number 2 on March 2nd. The accused has been identified as Ramayo Vashum, age 51 years, of Katiko Karong and has been taken into custody on March 14. Police also seized a gypsy vehicle bearing registration number MN08A0099 along with 2 mobile phones reportedly used in carrying out the crime. Authorities stated that the further efforts are underway to apprehend other individuals involved in the incident. GSA National Award 2026 was conferred upon 54 individuals at the Gyan Ratna Sahitya Academy's 12th National Conference in Guwahati. The event was graced by Northeast Book of Records Chairman Sonamani Datta, Gyan Ratna Sahitya Academy National President Dr. Hemchandra Burman, GSA Manipur State President Dr. Fanjobam Lenajit Singh and Sahitajit Mahanta Satradikar. The event featured the release of 3 books, including one on Assamese literature and 2 others dedicated to late singer Zubin Garg, alongside cultural performances. Awardees from Manipur included Dr. Angom Bembem Chanu, social and cultural activist, Sanasam Robita Devi, handloom and handicraft, Gotimayum Asharani Devi, Manipuri classical dance, Leishangthem Budhi Mite, astrologer, Lamabam Birendra Singh, writer, Yumnam Nandini, education, S.H. Devraj Sharma, art and culture, and R.K. Indira Devi, embroidery. Dhanamanduri College of Teacher Education DMCTE Imphal extended essential items to the inmates of Raja Dhumrar Singh Women's Home at Nongmaibung Purana Rajbari, Imphal East, and held sensitization talk as a part of its annual Community Contact and Service Program 2025-26. DMCTE Principal Dr. Konika Kuraitum and All Manipur Women's Association Treasurer K. Priyo Shakhi Devi graced the event as main dignitaries. During the program, DMCTE faculty Kurajam Dinesh Kumar spoke about the significance of community and student engagement in line with NEP 2020, while Dr. Anita Kangabam, IQAC coordinator, addressed mental health concerns specific to women. S. Swemwell, coordinator, emphasized the program's focus on leveraging teachers' role to drive community-level initiatives and promote societal welfare. It may be mentioned that DMCTE had provided relief materials to internally displaced persons in relief camps as a part of the program last year. Another weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center, Imphal state's maximum temperature was recorded at 24 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 12 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 93% in the morning and 58% in the evening today. According to Meteorological Center, Imphal state received 28.7 millimeters of rainfall in the last 24 hours. And before I wrap up, let's take a quick look at headlines once again. Manipur Legislative Assembly passes 7 demands for grants totaling 1,258 crore 86 lakh 94,000 rupees on the last day of 7th session of 12th Assembly session. Campaign for just and fair delimitation attempt to storm Imphal East Census office as a part of ongoing movement to defer census until illegal immigrants identified. And 7 foreign nationals, including 6 Ukrainian citizens and 1 from the United States, remanded to 11-day NIA custody in connection with terror-related activities and illegal entry into India. Well, that's all we have in this afternoon bulletin. Thanks for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates. Till then, have a great evening.